Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the presets on your Bosch Tassimo My Way 2. So by default these all have a little barcode, so the machine will automatically make the coffee depending on what pod you put in. So this one here might have more water coming through it than this one here, or it might be at a different temperature. And most people will just stick with that, but this does allow you to change it. So for example, on this pod here, if I put it in, you will see now that we have an option to change here. Let's say if you wanted a slightly stronger coffee, you can go to here. If you want it slightly warmer, you can go to here. Now, if that's your perfect coffee, you can save that as a preset. So you can hold down number 1 here, and then it will flash, and now that is preset. Even if you turn the machine off, that setting will be there. But let's say now, if your partner also likes using these ones here, but they don't like strong coffee, they want it weak, then what they can do is they can make it weak by hitting that bean there. Also, they might not want it as warm. In fact, they just want it like that. Then they can save that as preset 2. So hold down preset 2, it will flash, and now that's saved there. And then every time you're making your coffee, you can go to preset 1, and every time they make their coffee, they can go to preset 2 when they're using this. You might then occasionally like to use other pods, and you might want to save preset 3 as medium here, but you want more volume of water, and you want it super hot, in which case then that can be number 3. So it gives you 4 different options to preset your favorite drink in there, which can be quite useful. And even if I unplug it now, you will see when I plug it back in that those presets will stay. Can you see there that they've stayed? So it's very easy to do, and it's nice that it gives you the flexibility to change the taste and the volume and temperature of the coffee. Thanks for watching.